Another one, the candidate is Dr. Rafat. Role player, we will see who will be. So the role is pediatric registrar. So it is outpatient clinic in a busy DGH. You are talking to Jamie, a 15-year-old boy. Background information: Jamie was diagnosed with myoclonic epilepsy about 18 months ago. An EEG has confirmed the diagnosis and an MRI brain scan was normal. His seizures are now well controlled using sodium valproate. Jamie attends clinic regularly accompanied by his mother or father and is compliant with treatment. He is doing well academically. He has no other medical problems. Jamie has attended clinic today with his mother, but at the end of the consultation, he is asked to speak to you alone. So the task is, please talk to Jamie and find out what he wishes to discuss with you, trying to answer any questions he may have.
Doctor,
So who will be the role
I can
player?
be
Sorry.
I can be the role player.
Okay, so Dr. Helen is the role player and Dr. Rafat is the candidate. So if you are ready, I will set time for you.
I just want to ask that in this scenario, mother is there at the time of starting of this scenario, or Jamie is alone?
Alone.
It's up to you. You have to discuss. You have to read the scenario and you should decide.
I
Not
got the
me.
impression that mother is there, and then we have to ask the mother to go and then start the discussion with the Jamie. Is it so, or is it other way around?
Now, she attended clinic with the mother, but now she requested to speak alone. So you are
Okay,
talking
fine.
alone.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So when you start, I will set the time.
I
Okay,
am
I'm
ready.
ready.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm starting.
Yes.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, doctor.
I'm Rifat, one of child and adolescent doctor. Um, I believe you are Jamie.
Yes, doctor, I'm Jenny.
Nice to meet you, Jamie.
Nice to meet you too, doctor.
So I came to know that you want to discuss something in alone. Is it so?
Yes, yes, doctor.
So can we excuse your mom? Mom, can you please excuse for a while so that we can have some discussion? Is it okay with you?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, thank you so much. So nice of you. So
Yeah,
Jamie, we are here, and whatever we discuss, it will be in between you and me. You can discuss and share whatever you want. Is it okay?
thanks, doctor. Yes.
You're welcome. So Jamie, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm not feeling well, doctor. I'm getting again and again fits. Not at all feeling happy with my this problem.
Okay, but I just came to know that you are taking your medications regularly and your seizures are controlled as well.
Yes, yes, doctor. I'm taking medicine uh,
Mhm.
regularly, but recently I'm feeling quite upset about this, and I had a actually uh, problem with in the school, so I did not take couple of those.
Okay.
So
So can we discuss? Yes, how many times you didn't take the medication?
uh, a few weeks I did not take regularly. I was missing
Okay.
2 or 3 times in a week. So you can say in a week I was taking half week.
Okay. So can you please share with me that why you were not taking medication? You were such a good guy. You were following all the prescriptions and advices. What happened right now?
Yes, actually, I had a fight with my boyfriend, and after that, I also started taking some alcohol, and so I forgot to take. I was waking a little bit late in the morning. I used to watch television late night, So last few weeks, I was quite upset.
Oh, that's the, so there are so many stressors that are going on around you. So we are here to help you actually at this stage like yours. The youngsters, they have so many problems around them. So, but we can tackle all these issues. There's nothing that cannot be managed. Okay?
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. I have a question. Does this
Yes.
problem is for the lifetime, or I will get better? Do I need to take medicine for long?
Actually, Jamie, there are different types of fits. And in your case, that is called juvenile myoclonic epilepsy. You already knew about it a little bit. It's lifelong condition. You have to take medication for lifelong. But the good thing is that it was controlled, as you were shown to us that you were taking medication. There were no seizures. You have the regular life. But the problem is there when you started to drop the medication for whatever reason. But we can address all those issues, and then with the regular medication you can have a happy life like others have. Okay?
Okay. So I will have to take this lifelong throughout life.
Yes, Jamie, in this case you have to take it for lifelong.
Can I
Okay?
drive? Can I drive car also?
Jamie, if you took your medications regularly and your seizures fits are controlled, then there is a high possibility that after contacting the driving licensing agency, you can get the license. And but if there is a problem with the seizures with the which are not controlled, then I am afraid that they might not issue you the license. So it's good for you to take the medication
For
and
how long
consult with us.
for how long
Okay.
I should be seizure free to get the license?
So far my knowledge is there that you should be seizure free for at least 1 year. And if there are only nighttime seizures, then you should be seizure free for 3 years. But it varies depending upon the type of seizure and the awareness level during the seizure. So I can refer you to the driving license vehicle
Okay.
agency. They can help you in this regard as well.
Okay, doctor. Can I do swimming?
Yes, you can do swimming, but in most of the swimming pool there is a lifeguard, so you can inform them that you have such condition, so they will be around you. But there is no such thing that you can't do swimming. But I will advise you not to do the deep swimming or the scuba diving. Just do the swimming in the other part of the pool, and it would be safe. It's better if someone accompany you who know how to deal it if you have a seizure. Is it
Oh,
okay?
okay. And what about smoking, doctor? Sometimes when I attend party,
6 minutes.
I like to smoke. Is that okay?
A smoke, no, it's not okay for anyone, and for you as well. So smoking and alcohol, as you mentioned, these are the factors that would decrease the effectiveness of your medication, and you are prone to have more seizures. So it's better to avoid all these things. I know there is some peer pressure is there, some hormonal drive to explore the new things. But look, there are so many people with this type of condition, and they are avoiding these factors, and they are having the happy life. Okay?
Okay, doctor.
Do you have any other concern?
No, doctor.
Okay, so I would give you the link for the support groups. You can meet other people who are having the condition, and you would have better experience. Plus, I would also advise you to wear the medical bracelet as well. Okay?
Okay.
So let me rephrase it for you if you don't mind.
Yes, doctor.
So we have discussed that you in your case you have to take lifelong medication. You have to take it regularly, and the factors like alcohol, smoking, they should be avoided. You can do swimming, and you can have the driving license. Just follow certain precautions. You can have as normal life as other people. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that's good. And if you have any other concern, we can arrange another meeting. Okay.
Okay, doctor.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Thanks, doctor.
So still there is 1 minute remaining.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Anyways,
okay.
we will discuss that. Dr. Hanan, your feedback.
Yes, Dr. Ifat, it was a good attempt. Your introduction was good. Closure and repeated referral also you did nice. Content and the progress of scenario in that, like you made the same problem which usually I am making. You came to the agenda little bit later on, and other thing, you did not give me you see we have a 1 minute remaining now in the scenario.
Yes.
The advice, like if seizure happens, you have to lose the clothes, you have to lie down, or you can instruct, like you need to instruct to the family member about, even the school nurse also, or the so friends also, you can give instruction, so that he will not face any issue whenever there is a seizure. Regarding
Hmm.
bath also, you can, this is like this comes under the general advice. Out of general advice, you mentioned about the bracelet, you mentioned about the alcohol and smoking, and this also the third or fourth component of the advice which you should say, especially when the time is remaining. You have remaining 1 minute. Is that quite?
I did appreciate that there is so much time is left. So that's why I didn't mention all these things.
Yeah. And
Hmm.
yeah, otherwise, about this driving license, I think it is 2 year and 1 year night and day. If I am not wrong, I mean, we should
It
check and
depends on the agency, and different
verify
state
this.
has different agencies rules. So
Okay.
we
Usually
cannot
1 year
mention
for
exactly.
the, if 1 year free, seizure free for, so daytime driver license is allowed.
Yes, that's
And
what.
And
seizure
night
free
time
Mm.
seizure
for
free
night time
for
3 years,
3 years.
for 3 years. Yeah.
Mm. But in some states it is different. So Dr. Rifat
Yes.
replied the good that I will refer you to the driving
Yeah,
license
that is very
agency.
good. She
Yes,
was
that
referring
is
to the agency. That was good response,
yeah, because
basically.
ultimately they will decide, not the doctor.
Yeah,
Yes, it was
according to
written that
protocol.
depend upon the awareness during the seizure. Sometimes if the patient aware how to handle the vehicle, then they might issue the license. So it's better to refer them.
Uh,
Okay.
did the role player ask for the how to control the fits?
No.
Then how can you tell? Because this is a chronic illness. 18 months ago, he was diagnosed. Already, it would be in the plan how to cope with the seizure at home and when to call
Hmm.
medical personals whenever you. I mean, if it is a role player, say you, how can I manage at home? It usually at the time of when the patient is diagnosed first time, then you usually will give the instruction. As he raised the concern about his smoking, liquids, and blah blah blah. So if he asks for this, then you may tell them. You
Yeah,
can ask
time
for the
actually.
how.
If she doesn't have a time, nobody will penalize her. But
No,
she
no,
has
just
Yes.
left.
Yes,
yes,
yes, just to consume the time. Yes. The one
yeah,
thing that I missed was the TV issue. He mentioned that I started to have alcohol and started to watch
Yes,
TV.
TV
So
also
I
you
should
have to.
address TV. Yes,
yes,
TV. I should spend time on that factor.
yes.
Hmm.
And Dr. Rifat, just empathy was not so adequate
Yes.
with all concerned.
Yes.
We should cover.
Mhm.
I'm also doing the same thing, but we should
Yes.
listen. Then think in the
Mhm.
mind, how can I cover this point? First, give some
Mhm. You are
empathetic
right.
word, then give the
Yes.
answer. It will become
Mhm.
more good. Inshallah,
Yes.
with the
Yes. You
passage
are
of
right.
time,
You
it
are
will
right.
be, yeah, we will be on the track.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Always
anyone
Otherwise,
else
appreciate.
has other feedback?
Yes, actually, very nice. I like it. But you asked too many questions in the beginning, maybe more than three questions. Maybe this will taken against you as you taking a history. I
History.
didn't
Yes.
remember the questions now, but when I am listening to you, I hear that too many questions, and I feel that like you are taking a history.
But
This
I
is not.
didn't ask any question. I didn't ask any question. I was just saying that what are the concerns. I didn't ask any
uh,
question.
No,
No, no,
Dr.
you asked the question.
You
I
ask.
asked
Yes,
like
you ask.
Yes.
Yes.
Uh,
You ask more
I
than
also
three questions.
feel that. Yeah.
I
you
feel that you
asked
are
my,
taking a history. Yes, you are taking a
Mm.
history from the patient.
Dr.
Maybe
Hiran, please tell me what were those questions? Can you
yeah, yeah.
remember?
Actually, I feel you are not wrong here in asking question, because when I said my fits are not control, I am getting fits. Then you
I was
asked
exploring the reason.
wrong with you.
Yeah,
I
you
said
shouldn't have. You have to explain only.
yeah. This is I
That's
think
a response, rather question.
Mm.
yeah, yeah. I
No,
feel
no, she
no,
asked.
no penalty
We
for
will
this.
listen the
I
recording.
yeah, okay, but
So,
usually don't
but
have
I
time. I
feel
don't
also
have
the
time to
same
listen to the
thing.
recording. I usually don't have time to listen the recording. So, what I remembered that I was just exploring that why the seizures are not controlled, and then regarding the swimming and the other factors that were coming from the other side. So
So
there might be
this is yes. You are not supposed to explore. You are only concerned to explain. This is the issue. We are not
yes,
exploring.
yes.
It's not a history.
I was no, no. I was just saying that what are your concerns? That what happened? Why you are not having good control? Previously, you were doing so good, and now why are you not doing so? So I remember that I was asking like this.
Anyways, so because
What
here
was
he has informed you everything. So your job is to tell him that why alcohol is not good, why smoking is not good,
yes,
and
I told.
in the way that
I
he
did
should
like this.
understand. You will not say him that why you are taking or how you are taking or how much you are taking. It's not in the communication actually.
Did she ask for it? How much you're taking?
No, no, I didn't
No, she
ask.
No,
didn't.
no.
I was.
Ah,
I didn't ask.
yeah, you are giving
I just
example.
yes, I was saying
Yeah,
that at this time of the youngsters, there are so many things like peer pressure and the other things around. They want to explore something, so they tried these things. But before this, I dig out that what are the problems. Why were you not doing this? Then he said that I had fight, and then I started to have alcohol and TV, and then I said that these are not good for anyone and even for you. So I will listen to it to improve myself.
Okay. So anyone else has other concern? The other thing is Dr. Irfan mentioned about the empathy. Your empathy was good initially,
Yes,
but in between it was
yes,
look
yes,
like
yes, yes.
yeah.
Yes, it was just
And
question answer session.
yeah,
Yes.
another thing that this is all a problem in all of us. And initially, when we started the clinical preparation for the clinical exam, we are thinking that communication very short time, 9 minutes passing very fast. But now we
Hmm.
are becoming used to, so time looks is too
Hmm.
much time, and we are finishing before time.
Yes.
So
Yes,
inshallah, we have to tune ourselves. It needs a lot of practice, and we have to tune ourselves by time. Inshallah.
I'm sure.
Okay. Anyone else has the feedback? Okay. Then the next is history. The role player is Dr. Nehal, and I am the candidate in this history. But before that, I will just reconnect it. You have to join again because I think 22 minutes history, so it will be close. Okay.